Okay, so by now, your children have learned a lot of things. And we're kind of going to review some of the things that they've learned, okay? The first thing is probably the easiest thing is simply adding like fractions that have the same denominator. So like 1/4 plus 2/4 equals 3/4, where you just add the numerator and you keep the denominator, right? Okay, but we have stepped it up also, and they did pretty good with this too. 1/3 plus 2/4, and here this is when the denominators are different. Okay, when the denominators are different, we have to get them to be the same. Okay, there are a lot of different strategies out there, but I use a different one that seems more easier for the kids to understand. And my method is by using skip counting. It's like really fast and the kids get it a lot faster. Whereas we were taught, to find out that these numbers have 12 in common, multiply by 4 here and multiply by 3 here. That's a lot harder. We did, in my class, we would list 1/3 and we listed 1/4, right? And we would skip count, 2/4. 2/4. And so we would skip count by the top and skip count by the bottom, the numerator and denominator. We would make 4 lines, and your kids can attest to this. And we would find equivalent fractions to both of these fractions. So let's skip count by 1, basically counting by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now let's skip count by 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, right? You just counting by ones, counting by threes. Here we're going to count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 6, 8. Oh my goodness, long day. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And then here we're going to skip count by 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. Okay. Now we have to find the fractions in this row and the fraction in this row that have the same denominator. And honestly, it's these two. So my kids know when they find those fractions that have the same denominator, you're going to circle them. Okay, found them. Now, you're not going to add these. You're going to add the new fractions right here. 4/12 plus 6/12. God, y'all, I have had a long day. Equals 4 plus 6, 10. Keep your denominator, 12. Boom, just like that. And so let me go ahead and let me go over another one. Just so you can get the process again, okay? Okay, so I'm going to add 1/2 plus 2/5. Okay? 1/2, 2/5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Counting by ones. Count by twos. 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 5s. 10, 15,